Hello and welcome to the JBLI channel. I am Gibran Bashir and I am pleased to introduce you to this transformative platform where leaders, innovators and game changers come together to learn, grow and excel. This channel is brought to you by the Gibran Bashir Leadership Institute and it's designed to help you stay ahead, think smarter and lead better in an increasingly dynamic world. The mission of the JBLI channel is to empower trailblazers like you with actionable insights in business, leadership, and AI, helping you make an impact in ways you never imagined. Here's what you will discover on the JBLI channel. JB Book Reviews. Get in-depth analysis of game-changing books with actionable takeaways to sharpen your leadership skills and broaden your perspective. JB Case Analysis. Dive into real-world business scenarios and uncover the strategies behind their success or failure. Learn what works and what doesn't. JB Leadership Insights. Unlock practical tools and frameworks to lead with confidence, impact, and clarity. JB AI Talks. Stay ahead of the curve with emerging AI trends and discover how technology is transforming leadership and business. JB Global Dynamics. Navigate global trends and events shaping the business world with sharp, insightful analysis. JB Documentaries. Immerse yourself in thought-provoking explorations of critical leadership and business topics. And JBLI Updates. Stay connected with latest development programs, research and initiatives from the JBLI designed to advance your excellence. This is more than just a channel. It's your powerhouse for growth. Every video is carefully curated to give you the tools to face today's challenges, harness tomorrow's opportunities, and become the transformative leader the world needs. So, subscribe now and take the first step in your journey toward excellence, innovation, and unparalleled success. Together, let's create a brighter future.